Today in this video, I'm gonna explain Samsung Galaxy A6 hard reset or unlock pattern. Hold the power key for a few seconds until the device powers down. Simultaneously, press and hold the volume up and power buttons for a couple of seconds until the device enters recovery mode. When the Samsung logo appears, release all the keys. If Android reboot with no command image appears, tap on the screen to proceed. Use the volume keys to navigate through the options and select wipe data or factory reset. Press the power button once to confirm your selection. In the confirmation menu, select yes using the volume buttons and press the power key once to initiate the factory reset process. Once the reset is complete, recovery mode will display. Choose reboot system now using the power button. After the reboot, your phone will be completely reset to its factory settings, just like when you first purchased it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device again. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.